Understanding, play it by ear, a guide to spontaneous decision-making. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricacies of the English language and unravel its idioms and phrases, making them easy and fun to learn. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, play it by ear. This expression is widely used in both casual and professional contexts, and understanding it can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started and find out what it means to play it by ear and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Play it by ear is an idiom that originally comes from the world of music. It refers to the ability of a musician to play a piece of music by listening and picking up the notes, rather than reading from a score. However, in everyday English, it has a broader meaning. When someone says they're going to play it by ear, they mean they will not plan something in detail but will instead decide how to deal with a situation as it develops, relying on their experience and intuition at the moment. This phrase is often used when there is uncertainty about the future or when a person wants to keep their plans flexible and open to change. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. Making plans, we're not sure what time we'll arrive at the party. We'll just play it by ear. At work, we don't have all the data for the project yet. Let's start with what we have and play it by ear. In social situations, I'm not sure if I'll be free this weekend. Let's play it by ear and I'll let you know. In each of these examples, the speaker is indicating that they are choosing to remain flexible and make decisions based on how the situation unfolds, rather than committing to a fixed plan. Understanding and using the phrase, play it by ear, can be very useful because it allows you to communicate a flexible and adaptive approach to plans and situations. It shows that you are open to change and can adjust to new information or circumstances as they arise. This can be particularly helpful in situations where it's difficult to predict what will happen, allowing you and others to stay relaxed and open-minded about the outcome. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of play it by ear. This phrase is a wonderful example of how English speakers often use language from specific fields, like music, to convey broader ideas about life and decision-making. We hope this video helps you feel more confident using play it by ear in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Until next time, keep practicing and play your language learning journey by ear, adapting, enjoying, and learning from every new experience.